Welcome to the Custom Computer Specialist WebEx Training Guide. In this session, we will show you how to host polls as well as question and answer sessions. To pull up a poll in WebEx, click on the caret in the top right corner of the meeting. This will bring up a drop-down menu. From here, select Manage Panels and a list will appear. You will notice there is Polling in the left-hand column. Select Polling and then Add, and finally select the OK button. This will enable the polling panel to display in your WebEx meeting. Please note that you should now see the Polling tab next to the Notes tab above the list of participants. You can create multiple choice or short answer questions within the poll. First, select one of these two, then click the New button. If doing a multiple choice question, you will notice there's a multiple answer section which will allow users to select more than one answer under a specific question, whereas the single answers only allows them to choose one choice per question. Let's say we created a question which was originally a multiple answer, but we want it to become a single answer or even short answer question. All you have to do is select that question, select which style you would like it to be in, then hit Change Type. This may lead to you needing to add a new answer so users can properly answer the question. To do so, select the question you would like to add an answer to, select Add. You can now enter your answer and hit Enter. From here you can either continue to add questions or simply click out of the question to lock in those answers. The host has a few other pieces of functionality they can implement before sending out the poll or Q&A session. First, you'll notice the checkbox for recording individual responses. This allows the host to see who answered which questions and how. To keep polls anonymous, simply don't check this box. There's also the option of clearing all, which will reset all the questions, clearing them from the pool. Finally, we have the Options button, which allows us to set a timer on the poll or Q&A session. This allows the host to decide if the users are able to view this timer. Now that the poll or Q&A is properly set up, we can go ahead and either open the poll or save it for a later date. To save a poll, navigate to the top of the poll column, select the icon resembling a floppy disk. From here, you can navigate to the directory where you'd like to save this poll for later use, and do so. If you'd like to use the poll now, simply click Open Poll and it will begin. From here, we can see which users have either not started, are in the process of, or have finished answering the poll. Here we can also see the remaining time and time limit. You'll notice there is a checkbox for poll results under Share With. This is to allow the users to see how the poll went. When the poll or Q&A is over, you can either close it, save it for future use, using the same process as described before.